Welcome to 5-Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can remove Google account from all the devices you have logged in. So for that you have to open your web browser and go to myaccount.google.com. So you can do this in Android as well because the system is quite similar. You can log in Android from a web browser, or you can simply go to Google app and click on your avatar and click on manage your Google account. In there the process is similar because the website is also quite similar layout. So after going into myaccount.google.com, you have to click on security. Here you have to scroll down, and here you will find your devices option. You have to click on manage devices. So currently I am using one Google account in one of my devices, that's why it is not showing the other devices here. So the thing is, I'm going to explain to you guys in another way. So you will find multiple devices here. So all you have to do is, I'm going to show you a picture. You will find your other devices here. In other devices you have to click on the three dot like this picture and click on sign out, and then again you have to remove all the accounts you want to remove. I mean all the devices you want to remove. You have to remove them all one by one by clicking on this icon and clicking on sign out. So after all that, in your current device you have to click on your profile icon here and click on sign out of all accounts, or you can click on here and click on sign out from here. So that's how you basically can remove all accounts from all the devices in your for your Google account. So if you want more videos like this, then comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.